This video is about OpenStax Introduction to Business Textbook, Chapter 10, Outcome 7. What is personal selling? So we're talking about the steps of personal selling. First of all, you want to prospect and qualify. What that means is find potential customers and then find out, are they in fact potential customers? Then you approach them, you present or demonstrate a product to them. They may have objections. You need to handle those objections, and then hopefully you can close the sale, meaning they buy. But you're not done, because the next step is following up on the sale. There might be a warranty, there might be some kind of service, and so if you do all those things, then hopefully you have a satisfied customer. So what is personal selling, and what are the advantages of personal selling? So personal selling is what you do is you give personal selling means like face-to-face or on the phone or something like that, when somebody is selling something directly to somebody else. It gives you a chance to give a detailed explanation or a demonstration of the product, which is of course going to be much more convincing than just some advertisement. And the sales message can be varied because it's one-to-one, right? According to the needs and the motivation of each customer. So personal selling can be directed only to qualified prospects. It's not worth the time and money to try to engage in personal selling to people who aren't really qualified prospects. They're not likely to buy. And you have to control personal selling costs by adjusting the size of the sales force in one-person increments. So you add one person, then you do some more sales, you add another person, etc. So personal selling is more effective than other forms of promotion in gaining a sale and gaining a satisfied customer. So we're going to talk about the selling process. As I said, this is a review: prospecting and qualifying, approaching the customers, presenting and demonstrating the product, handling objections, hopefully closing the sale, and then following up on the sale. So I think that's the end of outcome 7. I'll just check. Yep. So we're going to finish this up, and we'll come back with outcome 8 in another video.